Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Aisyah Fadhlan from 2JM. Today, I'm gonna make layer steam cake or as known as
Kuih Lapis.
The ingredients are 3 tablespoons wheat flour, 2 cups rice flour, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup sugar, red coloring, 2 tablespoons corn flour, a cup coconut milk, and 3 cups water. So, the procedures are: first, spread a little oil on a pan to prevent from sticky. Then, heat the pan in the steamer. Meanwhile, put coconut milk, water, salt, and sugar in the saucepan. Cook briefly until the sugar and salt dissolve. After that, add the rice flour, wheat flour, and corn flour in a bowl with coconut milk and the dissolved sugar and salt. Stir well. Next, divide it into 2 parts. Place 1 part of the batter with red coloring and stir. Then, pour the white batter into a pan and steam it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, pour the red batter on it and steam it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat the steps alternating between white and red. For the last layer, steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. Last but not least, leave and chill it for a while. Ta-da! It's done! It's time for you to try it!